Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. Alright, let's begin. Leave any game you are in, then select More from the side menu. Open Settings, then select Privacy or Privacy and Content Maturity. Go to Communication, then select Voice Chat. Turn on voice chat using the switch. If it is already enabled, turn it off and back on. If the option is missing, you may not have enabled voice chat or were using a trial version. Join an experience and look for the microphone icon in the top left corner. If voice chat still doesn't show up, close the game and return to Settings. Go to Account Info and check if your phone number is still verified. If you verified with an ID, ensure your birthday hasn't changed. Adding a phone number may help if you are in a supported region. Next, go to Privacy and Content Maturity, then open Content Maturity. Set it to at least moderate, then return to Communication and select Experience Chat. Set it to Everyone, then join a game and check again. If it still doesn't work, log out and back in or restart the app. If the issue continues, uninstall Roblox. Go to the official website, download the installer, then reinstall Roblox. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.